Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a 30-minute clean with me. I'm on my lunch break from work. I work from home full time and I get 30 minutes for my lunch. So during this time, I like to do as much cleaning as I can. I'll make a list and just go through the list and see what from that list I can get done during my lunch break. So then I have time to myself since my son, he is 2, he's at his program and I'm here working. I could just take my lunch break, get done some cleaning things without him around. So it makes it a little bit easier for me to actually get things done. So I'm gonna set my timer on my watch for 30 minutes so that I know when my break is over and see what from my list I can get done. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you clicking on this video and taking the time to watch. Let's get started. Set timer to 30 minutes. I'm starting off in my laundry room. I'm washing all of the blankets from our living room. We have quite a few blankets that we use on a regular basis. We have a black lab and she loves to snuggle up on them and she loves to be on the couch. We don't mind her being on the couch. We do have a cream couch, so I always make sure to have a blanket down on the couch so that she can lay on that to protect the couch just a little bit from her. I put a few of the blankets in earlier this morning before I started work. I like to wash them in like 2s or maybe 3s depending on how big and heavy they are. This blanket here is very heavy, so I just washed it with one of my son's blankets so that it's not overloading the washing machine and also dries a little bit better. I find if I overload them with blankets that they don't wash as well and it takes forever for them to dry. So I just do them little by little throughout the day that I am choosing to wash all of the blankets. Now I'm moving into my son's room. I have a 2-year-old son. His name is Luca. He goes to a program, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, during the day while I am working. So I always pick a day during the week to tidy up his room, clean everything, dust everything. I'm changing his sheet. I'm going to wash his clothes. It's the next day. I didn't wash his clothes this day because I was doing the blankets, and also do the vacuuming. This is much easier to do when he is not home. I've tried to do it with him home. I have done it if I need to, but he likes to take out all of like the blankets and the stuffed animals, and he loves his books, so it's very challenging to clean, especially vacuum, while he is home. So I'm very thankful that I get a couple minutes while he's gone to get all of this done. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I love to make these 30-minute clean with me videos. I've been doing like once a month over the time that I have been making cleaning videos, and find them to be very enjoyable for me and I think super helpful for my viewers. It's very easy to find 30 minutes in our day to get a bunch of things done, then try to get a bunch of things done throughout many hours in our day, especially being busy working moms. Please leave a comment down below saying hi and let me know if you like to do this as well. I know it's really popular to do power hours as well. I've been thinking about doing that and posting that. I think that would be really helpful. I just find it so nice to set a timer and race against the clock to try to get as much done as you can in a short amount of time. It makes cleaning a little bit more enjoyable and a little less of a daunting task to have to do it all in one day throughout the day. Next, I'm in my dining room. I am finally taking down this table. We put this table up before Thanksgiving. We used this as a dessert table during the holidays. So it was up for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and then my son's birthday is in January. And then I take it down for a while, and then usually over the summer it ends up going back up at some point because we do cookouts and have fires and things like that with our friends and family. So having this extra table is really nice, so then people can be sitting at the dining room table or the kitchen island and not have all of the food or treats or whatever it is that we have. Usually it's desserts that go on here in the way. People can just come over and grab what they want, and it's out of the way. This is just a plastic table. I think we got it from either Amazon or Walmart. We do have a bunch of them. They're super handy to have, and they fold up really nicely, and then you can just slide them and store them. We actually have one that's behind the hutch, which is why the hutch is a little out from the wall. We have a table back there as well. I believe it is a little smaller than this one. This one will go in our basement, so I'll just put it against the wall for now, and my husband will bring it down to the basement at some point. There are a bunch of boxes and things that need to be gone through here. Most of this is my husband's stuff. I believe it's for his job. I really have no idea. So I'm going to leave all of this here for him to go through, and we can figure out where all that needs to go. But at least I've got one step down in taking down the table. This has been on my to-do list for quite some time now, and I am so happy that I finally got it done. I'd been looking for a hutch like this for quite some time, and somebody that my husband knew just gave it to us. I painted it white, I changed the knobs on it, and also restained the top. I have liked it, but I don't know, I just feel like it's almost a little cluttery, and it's kind of hard to decorate. It's kind of not one of my favorite things, and I'm not enjoying it as much as I thought I would. It is nice to have the extra storage, but I'm kind of thinking I might like a buffet a little bit better. Maybe also thinking about taking the top section where the shelves are off and just using like the drawers and the cabinets and that countertop. Maybe I'll like that a little bit better too. I like my house to just feel like light, airy, and open. And I feel like this just makes it feel a little bit more cluttered. I don't know. How do you feel about it? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to know your opinion. Next on my list is cleaning these trash and recycling cans. They are absolutely disgusting, as you can see. They need a very good deep cleaning, so I'm just going to take the time now to clean this all out. If I do this with my son home, he just hates the drawer being open, so he's just constantly shutting it while I'm trying to do this, which is so frustrating because now with him too, he started to argue with me about me leaving it open. Does your kids do that? Leave a comment down below. It's just so funny, his little 2-year-old stage that he's in. He's just got such a personality. He's starting to talk a lot more, and he likes things to be so everything has to be in its place and very particular about things, which is very cute, but makes cleaning tasks like this very challenging because I'm just trying to get this all clean, and I need the drawer open so then I can clean inside of it, and then he just keeps closing it. So I figured I would just do this right now while he's not home and make my life a little bit easier. I'm just scrubbing these out with hot soapy water using the Dawn Power Wash. I love this Dawn Power Wash. It has been super handy and works really well in so many different areas of the house. now I'm cleaning the inside of the cabinet. I'm going to vacuum it all out, and then I will spray it down and scrub it all down. As you're watching this, I hope you feel like you're just hanging out with a friend. I hope you're getting lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration to get your to-do list checked off. If you are just watching this and creating your list with me, I love that, as well as if you are cleaning along with me and have set yourself a timer to race against. I feel like it is such a great way to clean, very motivating and satisfying, especially in the middle of a work day. I sit at my job at a computer most of the day, so to get up during my lunch and get these things done is very satisfying and gives me lots of encouragement and energy to finish out my day on a really good note. If you enjoy these 30-minute clean with me's, please give this video a like and also leave a comment letting me know. I would love to film more of these. They are so much fun to film and I get a lot of cleaning done during my lunch breaks. I do this a few times throughout the weeks. Other times I'll just spend time with my dog or do other things. I don't clean every single day during my lunch break, but I will do this a few times. So if I know that you are enjoying this and this is giving you motivation and encouragement and also learning some things about cleaning routines and things like that from me, I would gladly post more of these throughout the month rather than just doing one a month like I have been doing over the time that I have been posting. If you are new, I would love for you to subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. It just allows you to get a notification when I post a new video. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday and hope to see you back here again. Here's my timer for the 30 minutes. Thank you all again so much for taking the time out of your day and watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it.